Jacaranda FM.
Great pleasure to be at the Michelangelo and meet executive chef Trevor Boyd, who's also a member of the South African Culinary Olympic team. So there's one person that can teach me how to make oxtail irresistible, is this man. Thank you so much for hosting us.
Cool, man. Thanks for coming. It's an honor to have you guys here.
That's it. Now remember, we need to take it out from amazing. No pressure, but the recipe that we have from Chef Ndoyia is Madiba's favorite. She said he loved it. So we literally need to take it up one step. Do you think you'll be able to do that? And world icon's favorite.
I'm gonna sound very cheeky now and say I'm convinced I can. And it's all about certain small little techniques that we're gonna put in there and make it irresistible for you to want to eat it. So.
Well, I can't wait to see what you come up with. So kitchen this way?
This way, let's go. Let's go. Cool.
Now here's the challenge to you. You know, on my bucket list it's make one thing really, really good. And we decided on oxtail. We asked the listeners and everyone said it has to be oxtail. And now here's the challenge. I want to take this one up. I want to take it from amazing to irresistible.
The key to this dish is the flavor, but more importantly the fact that when you eat it, you've got no bones.
It's not sealing, it was searing. It's different. My colleagues.